Yo guys, welcome back with me Kenwilboy. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trading strategy to make consistent profits in Forex. Okay, if you don't know me, I'm Kenwilboy. I'm the founder of fortunomarkets and a professional trader with over 10 years of experience and more than $1 million in profits. Okay, let's begin. So, what is the best trading strategy out there? A lot of people ask me, please tell me your secrets, tell me the best strategy, tell me a wonder strategy that never loses. Well, the answer to that, there is no strategy that never loses. But in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that has been used by millions of traders around the world for hundreds of years. Okay. Also, this strategy, I've been using it since I was still a beginner up till now. I'm still using it because it's that good, you know. I would say it has more than 90% accuracy, but well, it really depends with you, and experience also matters, but I'm going to try to show you here. So this strategy is called support and resistance. It might sound boring, but it's really effective, you know, because support and resistance is the basis of human psychology. And you know, traders are humans, right? They're not monkeys. So, of course, support and resistance play a huge part in their psychology. And thus, support and resistance can be used to search for a key level where the prices tend to bounce upward or downward, or basically you can predict the market with support and resistance. Okay, let's begin. So, what is support first? Support is an imaginary floor where the prices tend to bounce upward when it touches that level. And resistance is the opposite. It's an imaginary ceiling where prices tend to bounce downward if it touches that level. So here, I'm going to show you a nice little example here. As you can see here, this is a nice support level and this is a nice resistance level. Why? Because this level has been bounced like 3 times. See? It bounces downward after it touches the resistance 3 times already. So I would say that this is a strong resistance level, or strong and valid resistance. See, 1, 2, 3, and eventually it's broken, but it's okay. Yeah. When resistance level like this is broken, normally the price would rise up aggressively, and the other way around. For support, when support levels are broken, normally the price would fall drastically. As you can see here, the support level was broken once here, but it doesn't really matter because the support level has been respected at least 4 times. See here, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, at least 4 times from what I can see. So here, broken once, well, it reduces the validity of the support level, but overall, this is still a valid support level, because the way I score support level is when it touches and bounces off, I would consider that as 1 point. So here, it bounces 4 times, so the score is 4, minus by 1 because it was broken once. So I would rate the total score of this support level as 3. That's how I rate support or resistance. So the way you use support and resistance is like when it touches the support and bounces off a little bit, you start buying. Like here, this is a good time for you to buy. Also here, good time to buy, although it was broken a little bit, but it's still okay. It eventually rises up. See here, and this is a good time to sell. Yeah, sell at the resistance, buy at the support. That's fairly straightforward. But when a support or resistance level is broken, see here, the resistance level is broken, it's better for you to buy. And for support, when support level is broken, it's time to sell. That's basically it. And how do you enter? Like how many lots, how big is the position size? Well, there are 2 types of traders. On one end, some traders like to be conservative. They would limit their lot size. But on the other hand, there is the full margin trader. Full margin trader is the one who would go all in, maximize their profits. But I would say that the full margin one is actually good. This is maybe a controversial topic. Some people might not agree, but I think if you trade with leverage, full margin or go all in is better. Why? Because leverage trading, the instrument by itself is a high risk instrument. When you try to limit your risk, While trading, leverage trading, limit the risk by using stop losses or using small lot sizes. You automatically decrease the reward. Leverage trading is high risk, high reward instruments. But when you try to limit, well, it cancels out the benefit. So why trade with leverage in the first place? That's the question. For me, if you want low risk trade, it's better for you to go with the spot markets where there is no leverage and you're not using leverage. But when you're trading futures, like me here, with leverage, where you can open a buy position and a sell position, I think it's good to go all in. Because the moment you decide to trade with leverage or futures, it means that you're aiming for higher return with higher risk. So why not maximize that? That's the reason behind full margin trading. And if you trade full margin, you don't use stop loss. So full margin, no stop loss. I think that's a good idea. So the stop loss is actually your stop out. You only deposit it into your trading account, the money that you can afford to lose. If you lose it, you don't get hurt. It's basically small money for you. I think that's better for you as a trader when you go all in with your leverage trading account. But on the other hand, you separate the bulk of your money into like the low risk instruments and spot markets, maybe stocks, bonds, or index funds, something like that. For me, I think that's a good idea. And that is also what I'm doing. So I separate my big account with my small account. With my small account, I would go all in with high leverage, maximize everything. Maximize the lot size, the position size, all in, no stop loss. If I lose it, it's okay. But if I gain something, I will maybe 10x or 100x my account. So it's good, And where should we trade? If you're asking, where should we trade? For me, I trade with fortunomarkets here. Why? Because fortunomarkets is currently the best broker out there in the world. Why? First, they got very, very, very low costs. The spreads is so thin. And they don't charge any extra commission. They don't charge overnight fees for if you're more a swing trader with long position size, or you hold your trade more than one day. Fortunomarkets don't charge you for that overnight trades. So it's a good thing. So cost-wise, one of the lowest in the world. How about security? Security is a very, very important point for choosing a broker. I can guarantee you that fortunomarkets is safe and trustworthy, because fortunomarkets, if you search on Google, TikTok, YouTube, or any social media, you can search it. A lot of people are using fortunomarkets currently, especially in Asia, but also started to grow in Europe too. Everybody is using fortunomarkets. If you take a look at Trader A, Trader B, Trader C, they are all started to use fortunomarkets because it's that good. And if a lot of people are using it, it means that it's good. It's not like random people. There are professional traders using it. So yeah, it's trustworthy. About the regulation too, fortunomarkets got a strong regulation from UK, so very good. And they also got fast withdrawal, instant withdrawal, regardless of any amount. So you don't have to worry about slow withdrawal, or even during the weekends, your withdrawal are processed instantly. No matter the size, no matter how much profit you have made, your money is your money. Don't worry with that. So also, if you're a creator or an affiliate with other brokers, or you like affiliate marketing, fortunomarkets got one of the best affiliate program in the world. They gave you 70% revenue share. So if your client pays $10 per lot, for each trade, $7 goes back to the affiliate or the IB in Forex, the introducing broker. So it's one of the highest in the world. Most of other brokers, they only give like 40 to 50%, but fortunomarkets gives 70%. And that is insane. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and peace out.